Mr. Wilson? Mr. Wilson? Ready for warm clothes? Are you ready for warm clothes? Are you ready for warm clothes? Are you ready? You ready? Okay. Oh, oh. Oh. What? Warm clothes? Oh. There's your poppy. And more warm clothes. Oh, and more warm clothes. They're a little hot, but... There you go. Put your head down. Head down. There you go. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Ready to go upstairs? Okay, can hit the stop button. Hit the stop button. You getting a lot of crap that we don't need on there? Peter.
Come on out.